Okay, take 3. Let's hope we get it right this time. 128 gigabyte card. SanDisk, of course, my favorite. I've had limited issues with them. The least amount of anybody else. Manual that come with it. I'm going to try to go through that real quick with you in the end, so you guys get an idea of what's going on. Camera itself. And a kit so I can actually leave the camera on at nighttime if I want to. Okay, you'd be surprised what can happen when you're sleeping. Car accident, things like that, whatever. Hopefully nobody gets hurt. But it can be a second or third source of security, leaving your dash camera on at night. That's what this kit is for. Wire it to, I believe, the fuse box. Okay. This one I'm not going to get into right now because I don't want to make the video too long. So I apologize about that, but you guys can look that up. Let's open it up, see what's inside. I took everything apart already. Like I said, take 3. Okay. I noticed a couple things when I was working this. Okay, we got it. Accessories, I already took it out, so I'll just go through it again. Try to do better this time. I'm going to use this. I like this a lot. Have very good success cleaning the windshield with this. I just put on a phone holder on my car. It's adjustable. It has an arm that goes in and out. And on that instructions it says a suction cup not to leave in the sun. I'm like, really? This is for a vehicle, a car vehicle. So yeah, you could use suction cup. Just clean the windshield good. Looks decently well made. A little small on the controls, but looks fine. It says to lock and unlock the suction cup. So I guess you move this lever over like this. Can you guys see it? I'm sorry. There's a lever that goes. Okay. There's no clear protection on here. Should have came with a clear protection. It did come in a pouch though. All this stuff came in its own pouch. Micro USB cable. Cigarette lighter connector. Only one port, and looks like it probably has a light when it's on. Now you got the camera itself. This would be the inside camera, and this one actually does rotate. The other one does not. You have to get your angle with your mount on this, on the one that faces outside. Okay, that'll be your screen. That would be 1.5 inches. I think you could split screen this and have the inside and the outside at the same time. My eyes are not that good, even with my glasses. Also, there should be a red and a blue light here. Red will be recording, blue will be charging. This does have a capacitor in it, and when you turn the power off, the unit goes off immediately. I read that part in the instructions already. Okay. There's your USB input, and there's where your adapter goes. For me, this guy for sure. Had very good success. I've had one in my car now for 4 years, since July 2017. That video's up on my page. That was an inexpensive camera those days, and a lot of people have driven very oddly in. This cover's coming off. I'm not worried about that so much. Gotta get my fingerprints off of there. Okay, I still gotta get my fingerprints off of there. It's still on there a little bit. Like the design, very small, not major, big. Looks well made, well thought out. I think you guys will enjoy this kit. Last but not least, let's go through the manual real quick, alright? So you guys can see what you're looking at, because I can't explain everything to you. But hopefully you can see the information you're looking for here. My other one is on the driver's side of the rearview mirror. This one's going right where that one's going, and my old one's going on the rear door, rear windshield. I think this might be helpful to some people. That's the main reason why I'm going through it like this, because I can't explain it all. I haven't read the instructions. I haven't even set up. I don't know how I want to set up for myself yet. I don't think I'm going to have the screen split, because it's small enough even for my eyes, even with my reading glasses. I believe this one also does speed. Okay, there it is.